Folks, what is going on? I don't know if I included in one of these videos here recently, but I was driving the service van, as you can see, and it was late at night, and I was on a 2-lane over here, and someone hit me. We smacked mirrors, and it just ripped the mirror off this van, and tore it all up. I got just the glass. I picked up the glass piece, and I have it taped on here just because I ordered them, and I've been waiting on them to come in. Got the mirrors here today, so let's get into this. New mirrors, and also I had a cracked little marker light, running light housing, blinker assembly. Broke the light, so I'm going to replace that as well.
Come on, you're watching the Uncle Mike YouTube channel. Stick around.
So first things first, you want to get in here and pop this off. I already kind of popped it off, and then I was like, I forgot to record it. 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 3. Snatch them out, mirror will fall right off. I think I got a 2-pack, so I might as well do both since I'm at it, you know. To heck with it. Look at that thing all tore up. You know how the 2-lane is, it's real narrow, real tight, and as soon as I got hit, I 7-point turned it around, and that car, it was a truck. You just heard, whoa, as soon as he hit my mirror and I stopped. I was off the road in the grass just driving, and I said I popped my head out the door, did one of these numbers, and yeah, they was on the gas, so I said cut it around and tried to get around, and by the time I got over to where the road turned, they were gone. So get us a new mirror. Oh god. Oh. Now let me be honest with you, if I can do this without dropping these doggone nuts, I'm gonna be impressed. Woohoo! That's the only one I'm worried about right there. Oh, doggy. I really need to get this van washed. I just don't know. I really want to get just an interior cleaning, more or less. I don't mean detail by any means. I want an exterior cleaning and just a quick cockpit area wipe down and be done with it. Same with this truck. It needs to be washed. You can see it. Man, that thing's filthy. The old Caleb washed this thing like once, and I said I just need to get it nice and washed up. It's nasty. I've never washed it other than him washing it. There you have 3 nuts accounted for. Let's go over here. Oh, shut it. Rip some trim off. How about snatch that little trim off? These little caps off of here. I also picked up some oil to do an oil change on this thing, and I was also thinking about doing an oil change on a golf cart too. So some service van maintenance. I had a little sticker in here when I bought it, and I am 26 miles away from needing an oil change according to that sticker. So let's throw this Bad Jackson on. Alright, just put the boxes in the burn bin. Almost looks a shame. So clean, so fresh, so dull and so dingy. Don't mind the paint, folks. Come on. Now I said I got a rock got in there and I guess broke that. Boy, this thing about to fall off. I ain't never had one of these Chevy Express vans, so I don't know nothing about it. How this grill mounts. I don't think that's right, but could be. No, something ain't right back there. There's a screw right there. It ain't grabbing back there, so. But you know what? For a work van, it'll do just fine as long as the grill doesn't fall off. But I've had plenty of Silverados. Never, I have the grills off of them too, 1,000 times over. But this thing, first one. I've seen this C7 take a turn up here. Thing's chopping, son. I'm with it. Thing sounds fucking nasty. I need something. another LS powered vehicle that's just cammed, just so I can idle around chopping it up. Thing is greasy, boy. See if I can get on it at the red light. Turn green, you know. My buddy in a Chevy got lifter tick. And it may be just an exhaust leak. Hard to tell. Well, prepping some trash over here for the scrap yard. It ain't nothing worth much here, just coils. Well, that's rad, but a bunch of steel and then clean aluminum, clean copper. Well, that'd be considered dirty copper. But dirty brass, electric motors, dirty aluminum over there. Ooh. More dirty aluminum. There's some stainless steel right there. Get up there. Stainless. Tin. Steel. Sorry, that's very loud, I know, but steel. Some tin. I'll probably just throw that tin in with the steel. That stuff don't weigh enough to really do anything in the first place. So. But there's that. Ooh. I say it takes a little while when it sucks because it ain't the best eye-catching thing you ever had. But it's making money off of money that I love. Like I said, this is all just stuff that I got from jobs, and it's easy money. Here's my box full of wires. Like I said, I don't know anything about this scrapyard out here in Alabama, so we'll see if they're anything like the one back in Arizona. Because they took it all. It didn't matter. So, first thing in the morning, hit the old Camper World. Swoop up jack. Go back to the house and throw it on trailer. So here's the unit. It's the old Lippert jack. Does nothing. So we'll go ahead and get rid of that. Still the old Strongberg. I got the Strongberg set up here. I was running these bolts back down. I'm just gonna tighten them up, and then I'll use the supplied heat shrink butt splice and crimp it on into the fused link. They sent this one. These things are junk. Throw these in the trash. I've got the original one over here with the spade terminal on it, or not spade terminal, but the ring terminal on the other end. So we'll use that waterproof connection. Works way better. Looks good, lasts a long time. All waste. Ops, check your work. Everything works as it's supposed to. I'm gonna run, see if I can't sell these 4-gen wheels. I had that set of Hostels that I traded, or I bought the Hostels for 800 bucks, and then I traded these wheels for the Hostels, these wheels and 500 bucks for the Hostels, and now I got a guy who wants to buy these for 500 bucks. So, and then this toolbox here, I also got somebody who wants to buy that for 200. So we're gonna go see if we can't make it happen. Move on with some stuff, cleaning up. So quick transaction. These are gone, and I'm actually gonna get those wheels for the van. Because one of the wheels on the van's bent, right on the bend there, or right on the lip of the rim. They're a steel wheel, and it's got a bend in it, and it has a real slow leak. So I'm gonna swoop those up from him because that's what he's putting us on that Yukon. And there you go. Toolbox is gone. So we're gonna hit the road and go on back to the house. Got some grass to cut. It's been a good day of selling. Let me get this thing in the garage real quick. Hang on now, folks. Cut the key off real quick. But, folks, I could sell ice to a doggone Eskimo. Let me tell you, I done sold some tires today, wheels and tires. I sold a toolbox, sold a travel trailer today. I am just getting after it. It's a great day. I'm actually about to hit the sorry old Walmart here in a minute. After I come over here and make sure there ain't no eggs on the front porch, because you know how Martha likes to randomly lay eggs around here.